Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pausing and noticing the blame without judgment. Name the feeling, shame or guilt, and breathe for 1 to 3 minutes to lower intense arousal. Once calmer, ask one clear question. What specifically did I do, and what was out of my control? Make sure to separate facts from interpretation. This distinction is critical. You're building the habit of interrupting automatic blame so you can work with evidence instead of spiraling through stories. Now examine the situation like a detective. Write 3 objective facts and 3 interpretations or stories you told yourself. Once done, compare them side by side to see where assumptions replace evidence. Ask, what was under my control and what wasn't? Make sure to apply a compassionate voice. What would you say to a friend in the same spot? This reframe shifts blame into learning. Actionable steps you can actually take next, rather than self-punishment. To finish, pick one small repair action you can do within 24 hours and one boundary or guideline to prevent recurrence. Then reframe the experience into a single learning goal. What one skill do you want to practice next time? Make sure to commit to the action and schedule it. Intention without follow-through won't change patterns. If you find yourself stuck or reverting to harsh self-blame, call a trusted friend or coach and read your facts aloud for immediate perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.